Hello grade ones, here's this week's handwriting. The first one is for Tuesday morning because on Monday you did your news, and we are finishing off this page where I've done the secret dots for you. I put stickers there, and the last pattern we are going to practice is the wave pattern. Now this one is really tricky, so to remind your hand, put it where the pencil is that I've drawn for you and go around and over. Splash the wave back, splash the wave back. And if you think that you can remember, then you can pick up your crayon and do the row in a crayon. Remember, we go back along the same line. We don't want a tidal wave, and we must remember to splash the wave, but not too far. We're making a K. That's what we're trying to aim towards making. And an O and a whole bunch of other letters. You're going to do 4 rows of that, each time getting better and better and neater and neater. And then on the last row, you are going to decorate it by drawing a surfer on your wave pattern. I think, Kai, you like to surf. Hey, did you have surfing lessons before the lockdown? So there you go. I drew Kai over there. Sorry, Kai, that's my best. And if you want, you could draw a boat instead of a surfer. It's up to you. Okay, so that is your handwriting for Tuesday. Right, everyone, this is your handwriting for Wednesday. It's the zigzag pattern, and now we are doing our first group of letters. Remember to make your own secret dots using your pencil this time. Okay, now firstly we have to remember that we never write in no man's land, which is the top line over here. Okay, we don't write it. Then we go skip a line, dot, skip a line, dot, skip a line, dot, all the way to the end of your page. And we call these secret dots because later on in grade 2 we won't be using them anymore, but they really help us right now to space our work and to know which lines to write in. Okay, we're going to start with the zigzag pattern. You are really good at this by now. Down, up, lovely straight lines. Touch the top, touch the bottom, all of them nice and even. Then you're going to get out your pencil and you are going to do a V, which is one zigzag next to your secret dot. So it looks like we've skipped a line, and next to the secret dot, down, up, and stop. What have we got? A V. Then finger space, down, up, another V. Now I don't want a V with its legs splitting open, okay? And I also don't want a skinny little V. I want a nice medium-sized one. If you've got about 5 or 6 on one line, that's perfect, and a nice finger space in between. We're going to do 2 rows of that. Then we're going to move on to a W. Down, up, and we've got a W. Okay, that's what we've been doing the whole time we've been practicing patterns. We've actually been teaching our hand the correct way to make letters. Isn't that cool? So next to the secret dot, we're going to make a W, stop, finger space. Down, up. Down, up. Now don't forget, because we'll be doing a letter, we have to still touch the top and the bottom. That's why we've been doing that, so that we make really nice letters. And you're going to do 2 rows of that. Not too fat, not too skinny, just the right size. Well, we're going to end off with a maths pattern. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot number 6. And we're going to go 1, finger space 2, finger space 1, 2, 1, 2. Remember, 1, a straight line, 1 is fun. A 2 is like half a heart, straight out, around and back on the railway track, 2, 2, 2. Okay, and we're going to end off on next to the last dot with a zigzag pattern and a nice maths pattern to decorate. I've gone circle, triangle, yellow circle, purple triangle, yellow circle, orange triangle, yellow circle, purple triangle. You can copy mine, you're welcome to, or you can try your own. Okay, finally for Thursday's handwriting, we're going to do the worm pattern again. The same thing as before. We're not doing no man's land, we're not even worried about that. We skip a line, dot, skip a line, dot, skip a line, dot. And so we set up our page before we start with all of our secret dots. And then next to the first one, we're going to do a worm pattern. You can choose any color, do it nice and neatly. Start at the top line and down, up, over, down, up along the same line, over, up along the same line, over. Okay, so you've got a worm pattern. And today we're going to see exactly why it's important to go up along the same line, because we're trying to make very nice, neat letters. Okay, next to your second dot, we're going to do the letter N, down, up, over, stop. What have we got? A N. Finger space, let's do it again. Down, up, over, stop, a N. Right, we're going to do 2 rows of those. You should fit about 5 or 6 on a line. If you're fitting too few, that might mean that either your letters are too fat or the spaces between them, it's not 1 finger space, it's more like 2. So just check. We want to practice right from the beginning that all our handwriting is neat and our spacing is nice. That's going to make our writing so beautiful in the future. Okay, 2 rows of N, 2 rows of M. That's straight down, up and over, up along the same line and down, and that's a M. You see, if we haven't been going up along the same line, we're going to have a valley in between of this over here, and that's not actually a correct M. So it's really important to go down, up, over, up along the same line and down, and we'll have a M. 2 rows of those, please. Try and make both bumps of the M equal, nice and even. Okay. We're going to end off our pencil writing with the number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make a 3. Okay, some beautiful 3s across your line with a finger space in between. And I want both bumps of the 3 to be more or less the same size. Okay, we can't be perfect, but we can try and do our best. Okay, that's all I want from your handwriting is your best. Then we're going to end off with another worm pattern, and we're going to decorate it in a maths pattern using our colors. I've done just dots today. You're welcome to copy my pattern, or you can make up your own. Green, green, red, blue. Green, green, red, blue. Okay, I can't wait to see your handwriting. Have a lovely day, grade 1s, and I hope to see you soon.